that way.
I had to get over to the side of that rock he's dipping on, remember?
Yep. I come up the left side, and then one come over the right side and still never made it.
This is just flat out, there ain't no way about it. It's a wink spot now, ain't it?
I think it was about 2 more weeks of dryness, you know.
Yeah, if it was drier, it would be. There's water running through here though. It keeps it damp. Keeps it moist.
That's changed a lot though. I mean, first time I ever seen anybody hit James Brooks' rear drive shaft. And yeah, it's a lot different.
Hung up on that rock?
We couldn't get above that tree, remember?
Yeah.